Come, Alex. Hello. Who's it there?
Yes.
Yeah.
I know.
Sa likod si Alex. Say hi. Wala kaming driver. Before, because it's like it's nice to take the bus.
Do you remember every before?
But
from school?
yeah, but I remember the fare of the bus before was like around 140 plus.
But
it was expensive before.
After in March,
Yeah.
I took Lars.
Because of the shifts, they changed the bus company.
Yes. I've got 2 fold, 1 fold every time.
Nice. You're learning. You're starting to remember everything.
Yes.
Hi, Anne. Kapag wala namang masyadong tao, pwede naman gumamit dito. So, eto na kami. Bababa ng mga students at papalit si Alex.
My jacket.
You told him?
No. I'm not talking, but because I'm looking today in the house. Where is my jacket?
Ayan si Alex. The white. And
Yes. Come, Alex.
come, Alex. Hello. You sit there.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know. Yes.
Sa likod si Alex. Say hi. Kompleto na yung aking dalawa. So, meron kaming mga bago na lang na, meron akong bago. Dalawa siguro or 3 students, tapos isang another boy. So, I have all boys ulit this year. Mas okay kasi sila. What is it?
What I don't have take my tax.
Guys, umuulan at nag-snow. Nakakaloka ang weather. Tapos wala akong dalang payong. Tapos maglalakad kami papunta doon sa pag-e-exam nito. Kaloka.